Formula bar in Excel.
See, in formula bar we can see the formula given in each cell. The last one we can see the column is totaled, it is a function sum. Check each total in formula bar. We can see the formula. The last one we can see aggregate total. It is done by a function sum that is calculated by clicking on sigma symbol. This is another example. A new column discount is added. In each product there has a discount. How to calculate the total with a discount? Add an equal sign. First of all, unit price and discount calculation. Group these two items, adding a bracket, then give unit price, then deduct discount from the unit price, then bracket close, then multiply this figure into number, then press enter or enter sign. Okay, calculation is done. We can see the formula in formula bar, equal sign, E2 minus E2, that is grouped into multiplication symbol C2. C2 means the number. Copy this formula to other cells. Click on sigma, it is total. Here we can see the serial number is empty. In Excel, it is simple to add serial number. Bulletin numbering in Word, it is not supported in Excel. Some techniques to add serial number. First one, add starting serial number. Example, I am adding 1, and in the continuous number 2. Again I am selecting these two cells, then dragging it to down. Okay, serial number is added. This is one technique. Another one, serial number with a letter. Example, I am adding S, then hyphen 001. Okay, I am copying this cell into down. Okay, serial number is added. This is another data, contain discount percentage. You want to calculate the discount amount. The net total means the discount deducted, and again the serial number. There are many ways to find the percentage, and I am showing one. Add a discount column. I am adding the discount column in between the discount and total. So I am setting the cursor pointer in total column. Go to insert sheet column. Okay, a column is added. I am giving a heading here. Here I am giving the formula equal sign unit price into discount percentage, a percentage sign, plus enter. Okay, discount is calculated. Now I am copying this formula to down to set the decimal point. Click on English decimal. Then we can write the formula equal sign bracket unit price minus discount amount into number. Press enter. Then copy this formula into down. Okay, it is total. To set the serial number, write to 1 and 2, then select to 1 and 2, then drag down, total the column, auto sum, again press on auto sum, click on auto sum, it is total. Now check the formula given. The total given.